We are going to see if we can make these fabulous Simone Rocha from Moncler bow sweatpants that y'all loved. Can we take a pair of regular nylon Nike sweats and have Anna sew knees of bows on the nylon sweatpants? Let's see. This is Anna, and Anna is my tailor and my savior, because what she can do is make this Zara dress for $69 look like Couture. We all need a good tailor. Fabulous organza, Joann's. Look! So all I did was take a regular pair of nylon Nikes. I even like the fact that there's this little Nike on there. And Anna zhuzhed up the bows. Pair of loafers. How fabulous are these? At home, Simone Rocha for Moncler. And here's Night. You see, one doesn't need a lot of money. All one really needs to be fashionable is a little bit of ingenuity, take a little bit of time, and have a lot of fun with it.